Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add PayPal payments on your Shopify store. So this is pretty easy, but you need to have a specific PayPal account for it to work. So to find this option, first of all, you're going to need to go to settings right here at the bottom left corner. After that, you can see here is payments, so you're just going to click on that. And as you can see, I have not set up my PayPal here. Also, you can select some payment providers. You can add a manual payment methods or some other customizations. So if you want to sign up to PayPal, you're just gonna click set up this one. Now, when I have clicked this, as you can see, a PayPal account has been created with this email, and you need to log into this to complete your account setup. Now, the PayPal account has to be a business account and no other way to do this, because it will not work with your personal PayPal. So the email account that you have created your Shopify with will be the one that PayPal is. Maybe you can change it, I'm not sure, but for now I cannot, so I need to complete the setup. Now, as you can see, you need to connect your PayPal account to start accepting payments on Shopify. It's free to connect whether you have an existing PayPal account or you want to create a new one. So you're just going to write down your email here. Now, when you have entered your account, you're going to click next. And now you need to enter your password. So basically set up your PayPal business account here. And you, of course, click next. Now from here, you need to tell about your business. If you haven't created, of course, PayPal business account, so contacts, business details, phone number, what's your business address, and so on, and create a PayPal business account. So now when you have done all the setup, you're going to agree and create an account. And now you need to describe your business. So let's choose, for example, individual, product or service keywords. Maybe let's choose this one. The website is optional, so I'm not going to put that. Now you want to enter your CC statement name. So for example, for the sake of this video, again, you need to tell more about you, date of birth, nationality, and business address, and so on. So enter that. Now you need to go back to your Shopify and confirm your email to activate your account if you just signed up. And when you have clicked go back to Shopify, you're going to see that it's already active. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.